Welcome back to Bike Lab, your hub for cutting-edge tech and high-performance machines, on two wheels or in the skies. Today, we shift gears from asphalt to altitude as we dive into one of the most elite aerial machines ever built, the 2025 update of the F-22 Raptor. Though our name says, bike, we can't resist a machine that redefines dominance. Let's break down what makes the 2025 F-22 Raptor a peerless predator in the air. Legacy of the Raptor. The F-22 Raptor has been a symbol of air superiority since its introduction in 2005. Developed by Lockheed Martin, this fifth-generation stealth fighter was originally designed to ensure U.S. air dominance in any potential conflict. Known for its unmatched agility, speed, stealth capabilities, and sensor fusion, the F-22 has long been regarded as the gold standard in aerial combat. However, production was capped at just 187 units, and by 2011, the line was closed. That made the Raptor rare and valuable. In 2025, the Air Force has unveiled a major modernization package that revives and enhances this aerial beast for the next era of warfare. 2025 upgrades, beyond fifth generation. The 2025 F-22 Raptor is not a new jet, it's a fundamentally evolved version of the original. These upgrades are part of the Air Force's Raptor Agile Capability Release (RACR) initiative. They focus on integrating sixth-generation technologies into the airframe, essentially creating a hybrid platform that stands between the fifth and sixth generations. First, there's the new N/APG-77V1 radar system, dramatically more powerful than its predecessor. It offers increased range, resistance to jamming, and expanded electronic warfare capabilities. Secondly, the jet now includes advanced AI-assisted threat detection and targeting systems that improve pilot reaction time by aggregating and filtering battlefield data in real time. Stealth and survivability. The F-22's stealth has always been one of its core strengths. In 2025, Lockheed Martin has taken this further with radar-absorbent materials, RAM, that are lighter, more durable, and easier to maintain. These new coatings reduce the radar cross-section while minimizing the time required for maintenance, previously a major challenge for fleet readiness. Moreover, infrared signature suppression has also improved. Exhaust nozzles have been slightly redesigned to reduce thermal detection from ground-based systems, an increasing threat in modern conflict zones. Combined with its super cruise capability, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners, the Raptor remains virtually untouchable. Cockpit and pilot interface. A major leap in 2025 comes from within the cockpit. The Raptor now features a fully modernized glass cockpit with augmented reality, AR, overlays, voice command input, and AI-based mission support. Pilots can now interact with an intelligent virtual assistant that handles low-level tasks, adjusts mission parameters on the fly, and even suggests evasive maneuvers during combat. The helmet-mounted cueing system has also been added, something the original Raptor lacked. This allows pilots to lock onto targets simply by looking at them, vastly improving close-range engagement capabilities. Weapons and payload evolution. While the original F-22 was known for its air-to-air dominance, the 2025 version pushes into multi-role territory. It retains its full complement of AIM-120D AMRAAM and AIM-9X Sidewinder missiles, but now supports the new AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, JATM, with longer range and improved resistance to countermeasures. The internal weapons bay now supports modular payload configurations, allowing rapid switching between air-to-air, air-to-ground, and electronic warfare roles. There's also an added capability to deploy small drones, loyal wingmen, that can scout or jam enemy radars autonomously. Connectivity and data sharing. The 2025 F-22 now acts as a force multiplier. Thanks to new Link 16 upgrades and integration with the Joint All-Domain Command and Control (JADC2) network, the Raptor can share and receive battlefield data with F-35s, drones, satellites, and even ground units in real time. This interconnectivity is critical in modern warfare, where speed of information determines victory. It can now act as a command node, managing drone swarms, redirecting fire missions, and coordinating air and ground assets. This shift marks the Raptor not only as a weapon, but as a strategic command platform. Sustainability and maintenance. One of the biggest criticisms of the original F-22 was its high maintenance demand. That's now been significantly addressed. The 2025 version incorporates predictive maintenance algorithms that monitor component wear and suggest replacements before failure. This not only boosts reliability but also slashes downtime. New modular components and plug-and-play avionics make field-level upgrades far easier. The Air Force reports a 30% improvement in mission readiness since these updates rolled out, a game-changer for global deployment. Cost and strategic role. While the cost per unit has slightly increased due to the advanced tech suite, estimated now around $150 million per aircraft, the added versatility and longevity justify the expense. The updated F-22 is no longer just an interceptor, it's a networked, multi-role command platform that's expected to serve until at least 2040, if not beyond. In a world of emerging near-peer threats, particularly from adversaries fielding their own 5th and 6th generation fighters, the F-22 ensures the U.S. and its allies retain decisive air superiority. Conclusion: A Raptor Reborn. The 2025 F-22 Raptor is a shining example of what's possible when legacy platforms meet cutting-edge innovation. It's faster, smarter, stealthier, and more lethal than ever before. More than a fighter, it's now a battlefield brain, processing information, commanding assets, and executing with clinical precision. That's all for today's breakdown on Bike Lab. Whether it's flying through the stratosphere or ripping through corners on a superbike, we bring you the peak of performance technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more machine-driven madness. Stay sharp, ride fast, and fly higher.